Spyware. How to block spywares. First of all, let's come to the point. What is a spyware? Spyware refers to software that is installed on a computer without the knowledge of user. It can be used to track and monitor computer to send to third parties for marketing purposes. Spyware programs can be a nuisance as they can take up computer processing capacity, collect personal information, and send pop-ups advertisements without permission. Through keyloggers or taking screen captures or scanning hard drives, spyware can maliciously take personal information for criminal gain. There are several steps you can take to block spywares from your computer. First, be careful when you download. Knowing what you are downloading and from what site an important measure when it comes to blocking spyware. Many spyware programs are downloaded unknowingly when you download other software. You should always read the end user license agreement as sometimes the spyware programs are allowed access through third-party advertisements when you click to accept the software you're downloading. Avoid peer-to-peer file sharing. This is another common way for a spyware to enter your computer. Peer-to-peer file sharing is risky as the content of other person's computer is unknown, and virus and spyware can be spread this way. The best way to block spyware is prevent possibilities for it to get on your computer. Use add-ons on your internet browser. Internet browsers such as Firefox, Opera, Internet Explorer have add-ons that block pop-ups ads from appearing while you surf the internet. These are also another important measure in preventing spyware, as clicking on pop-ups ads can be lead to spyware, and it may be downloading the spyware on your computer. Install anti-spyware software. Find software or shareware that are number of freeware and shareware sites offers antivirus and anti-spyware softwares. There will be more limited than a commercial software programs, but it can prevent you with adequate protection from spyware. Make sure that the site you're downloading is reputable. Or you can buy commercial software if you want to. Alternatively, you can buy commercial anti-spyware software. Most commercial anti-spyware software is bundled with antivirus programs. Check for the updates frequently. Even with anti-spyware software installed on your computer, you will want to check periodically for updates from the software manufacturers as new spywares and adware viruses are developed. These updates will protect you from the latest spyware programs. Control which memory device can connect to a workstation. Block USB, eSATA hard drives, USB 3.0, CD or DVD. Any memory storage device. Keep your operating systems up to date. Keeping your computer's operating system up to date is important in preventing spyware or viruses from your computer. Operating system security patches are released often from the manufacturer, that can fix holes in your system that hacker and spyware can break through. Make sure that your operating system is the latest version release and from the manufacturer. Most operating systems will automatically check for updates periodically.